Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you the simple way to get a Momo number. But first of all, some people don't know how to load the watch only, or some people are new to this stuffs. So I'm going to show you how to load a watch only wallet. So stay tuned. First of all, you have to log into your App Store or Play Store and get Trust Wallet. Search for Trust Wallet. This is a Trust Wallet. This is how the Trust Wallet looks like. Then you have to download it. After downloading, you click on Open. As a new user, they will ask you to enter a password. Make sure you use the password that you will remember. Mind you have to use a password that you remember. And as you can see, this is a watch only wallet with over $16 million. You understand? Yes. So after entering a password that you remember, you sign up as an existing user. So you see create a new wallet and add up as an existing user. You use the add as an existing user button. So let's go here. So this is how it will pop up after entering the password. Then you click on add an existing wallet. Then you click on view only wallet. Then you choose a BNB smart chain. Then you paste then you will look for your watch only address, then you paste it. So this is a watch only address, so you paste it. Yes, and you confirm. After pasting it here, you have to refresh. This is the watch only wallet. As you can see, it has come. So after inputting it and it's not showing, please do well to refresh before you proceed. So after it has come, then you are good to go. So you use the Bexchange app and logins as I showed you in my videos. You use it to withdraw. If you don't have the Bexchange app and logins that we will use to withdraw, then you check the description and message me. So after using the Bexchange, you will get to a point that they will ask for a Momo number. So that's where I come in again. So the Momo number, this is a sample of a Momo number 2025. Yes, these are Momo numbers and many more that I've created for people and linked for them. So these are sample. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth one. Yes, there are plenty. So when you come, I will generate it for you. We also have the Momo number, the Momo app that's also available for purchase. The Momo app, my Momo, is also available for purchase. So 055 7272615 055 2721 055 and so on. And we also, after generating it for you, I will link it to you where you want to withdraw to. Maybe you want to withdraw to Binance, you want to withdraw to Trust Wallet, you want to withdraw to Cash App, PayPal, anywhere you want to withdraw to. I will link the Momo number to the details of that account that you want to withdraw to. Yes, being it Binance or Trust Wallet, I will link it to you so that when you enter the Momo number and you place a withdrawal, the money will get moved into your wallet of which you want to withdraw to. Yes, so that is it. Yes, so check the description and message me for the app and the logins and also the Momo number. Yes, so I guess that's that. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying tuned and watching me to the end. Thank you.